EMA as support and resistance levels. Hello, traders! In our previous episodes, we covered the basics of EMA and how to determine trend direction. Today, we'll delve into another powerful application of EMA, using it as support and resistance levels. EMA can act as dynamic support and resistance levels. As the price interacts with the EMA line, it often bounces back or faces resistance, providing potential trading opportunities. When the price approaches an ascending EMA, it may find support and bounce off it, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Conversely, when the price approaches a descending EMA, it may face resistance and provide a potential selling opportunity. Traders often combine EMA, support and resistance with other technical analysis tools, such as candlestick patterns or oscillators, to increase the probability of successful trades. It is possible to use EMA lines to identify potential continuation trades. EMA lines can provide insights into the underlying trend's strength and help traders stay in trades for an extended period. Here are two ways to use EMA lines for trade continuation. EMA pullbacks. During a strong trend, price pullbacks often present opportunities to enter or add to a trade. When the price retraces and touches or approaches the EMA line, it can act as a dynamic support or resistance level. Traders may consider entering or adding to their positions when the price bounces off the EMA line in the direction of the trend. EMA slope confirmation. The slope of the EMA lines can provide valuable confirmation for trade continuation. In an uptrend, the EMA lines should maintain a positive slope, indicating bullish momentum. Traders can look for opportunities to stay in the trade as long as the EMA lines continue to slope upward. Similarly, in a downtrend, the EMA lines should have a negative slope, supporting bearish momentum. Fantastic! Now you know how to utilize EMA as support and resistance levels. In our next episode, we'll discuss using EMA crossovers as entry and exit signals. Stay tuned.